Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for joining me and my furry sidekicks for today's video. I'm so glad you're here. If you're new to my channel, I'm Laura. This little furry bum is Xena. Wyatt is running around on bug patrol, but I'm sure you'll see him at some point during this video. As I said, so glad you're here. I have two fun brands to share with you. Let's get right into it. First off is LilySilk. I love LilySilk. LilySilk obviously is a high quality silk brand, and I have three different, completely different items to share with you from their collection. All of their silk products are made from the highest quality mulberry silk. If you have not tried silk products, you must. Silk is, first of all, amazing for the skin. It completely saves your skin from creation of wrinkles. I love silk pillowcases, which I have one to share with you. I switched to a silk pillowcase many years ago. Number one, I have very fine hair that is prone to breaking, and I have switched to a silk pillowcase. My hair has been so much better ever since. Not to mention it completely removes the sleep wrinkles, so cuts down on any of those wrinkles that you might be getting. Also, silk is moisture wicking, so if you didn't know that, yes, it absolutely is. What else? It's hypoallergenic, breathable fabrics, and it's also very durable. So if you take care of it, silk products will last probably 15 to 20 years. All right. So as I said, I have three different products from LilySilk to share with you. As always, I do have a coupon or discount code as well. So I'll share that in just a minute. Let's dig right in. Okay, so first up, we're going to do the pillowcase. I have been using a LilySilk pillowcase for probably at least 2.5 years. I was using a silk pillowcase for probably a few years before that. Once I switched to the LilySilk pillowcases, I haven't gone back. They are amazing. The quality is undeniable. This is the king size. I absolutely love. As I mentioned before, the quality of silk and the reasons to use and wear silk, but especially for the pillowcases, goes back to your hair. I have very fine hair that wants to split and break so easily. Once I switched to a silk pillowcase, that stopped. It just protects your hair, no breaking. Also, of course, no sleep wrinkles, so this will help slow down the aging process. Here's the quality of this silk. Hopefully you can see how glossy it is. And I love the quality. Now there are different pillowcases for you to choose from. This is the king size. I also chose the one that has the zipper. You can see this. I always like to zipper in my pillows. It just makes sure nothing ever moves, everything stays in one place. And this particular version is $50. But of course, I do have a discount code for you, as I mentioned, and also they have a sale going on right now. So if you buy one, you get one 40% off. How awesome is that? Also, my code, which is BOX15, will give you 15% off anything on their site. Love their pillowcases, and I never sleep without one. My husband doesn't use one. I have not put one on his pillow yet, but I probably should. His hair is not as delicate as mine is, but with the buy one, get one 40% off, now might be the time for me to share one with him. I always keep a spare because I wash these on delicate and then I line dry them. So I always make sure I have one to swap out on my pillow, but I might have to now splurge and give him his own. All right. You want to say hi, Zizi? Zizi wants to say hi to everybody again. Yes? Okay. All right. My next item I have for you is this. Came in this beautiful box. You don't love the presentation of their boxes? I do. Love. And I already got it out because I wanted to make sure that it was in perfect condition when I shared it with you. So I didn't know if I was going to have to steam it or not. It really did not need steaming, but I did give it just a tiny pass over. But it was actually in perfect condition when I got it. How beautiful is this silk blouse? It did come with this necktie, which you can use or not use. Is this not absolutely beautiful? You all know I love a palm leaf, which is in here. The purples and greens and pink in this are stunning. I cannot wait to try this on for you. Has a little bit of elastic here at the wrist. Beautiful. I have showed in previous videos the white, which is just gorgeous. Very glossy, very bright, beautiful. I have a black one, I have a leopard one. Their silk blouses are beautiful, beautiful. This one is a completely different version, and this floral has a little bit of sheerness to it. You can see that. I absolutely love it in a different variety than the others I've shared in the past. I'm in love with this blouse. Be perfect for now, perfect for later. Wear it under a jacket, wear it by itself, tie it, tuck it. Just gorgeous. Denim, skirts, it's beautiful. All right, this particular blouse is $129. Now this one also is buy one, get one 40% off. And of course, as I mentioned, I have that discount code for you. Beautiful, right? And then, as I mentioned, and I will share this when I try it on, you can tie this around the neck for additional looks. So you can wear this in many different ways. And we will play with that whenever I do the try on. All right. And then I have one more item to share with you. And this is a sports bra, which I have never tried from them before. So I'm excited to do so. And I'm probably going to try it under that blouse just so you can see what it looks like. And what does it say here about it? Of course, it does give you on all of the tags for the items the silk benefits. I'll run through them again, but it helps you sleep better because of the moisture wicking, temperature adjusting for the fabrics. It won't hold in heat or it'll keep you cool. Good for your skin and hair. It's moisture wicking, and it's also antibacterial. And also this tag tells you that LilySilk is a luxury silk brand. They were founded in 2011. This is made from the finest grade 6A mulberry silk. And their whole purpose is around the pursuit of affordable luxury lifestyle. Okay, this is fabulous. This feels amazing. So it does have the nice thicker straps. They are very, very, of course, silky. We'll go as far as to say soft because that's what it is. They do have a nice padded cup, but not thick and not thin, so the perfect. The back is nice and smooth here. If I can show you the cup here on the inside, you can see that it is removable. Yeah, I really like this. And I will put links to all of these items down below. This is a one size fits all. One size fits all. Wyatt sees something. And it says that the outer part of this is 66% nylon, 34% spandex, and then the cup inside and the strap lining is 95% silk and 5% spandex, just so you know how these are made. Because they do have some amazing stretch, so you knew there had to be some spandex in there, right? All right, that is all the pieces from LilySilk. I cannot wait to try the sports bra and the blouse on for you. Let me get to my Stella and Dot items I have to share with you as well. So I have some gorgeous jewelry to share. First up is a ring. So this is called the Modern Bohemian Beaded Stone Cocktail Ring. Check out the colors in this. This is $49, and I had some major discounts for all of my pieces, so I ended up paying $19.60 for this. Is that not gorgeous? Okay. Then I have two more items, necklaces. Next up, check this out. This is called the Modern Bohemian Beaded Necklace. This one's in the turquoise, $64. I ended up paying $38.40. Gorgeous. And I have one more, which is also a Modern Bohemian Beaded Necklace. Charm, this one's called. It has the charms on the end. In the ivory, $69, and I paid $41.40. All right, so I am going to try on this ivory one for you, and then I will try the turquoise one on. Yeah, the turquoise one will go really pretty with the silk blouse, so I'll save that one for then, so you can see what all of these look like. So this one can be super long. You see that, how it's adjustable here at the top? How nice is that? Or it can be shorter, or you could probably even double it up. So I can bring that right up just by pulling it. You see how much I could pull that? I think you could probably double it up pretty well as well. Here's a closer look. How pretty. Here's the ring, and we'll get to this try on and get to the rest of the pieces. I will list everything down below for you, so no worries. If you don't remember the names, I'll put links to everything. All right, let's get right to this try on. Okay, so first up is going to be this sports bra, which I am in love with. It is the most comfortable bra I think I have tried on as far as sports bra, bralettes, half camis go, because it has this nice thick strap, super silky soft, fits perfectly, even though it's one size fits all, so I'm amazed. The cups are soft, it fits perfect. So before I button up this top and show you what that looks like, I wanted to quickly show it to you. Has the nice thicker sides, so lots of coverage in case you wanted that, and the same coverage all the way in the back. I also am going to put this necklace on. I forgot to show you, I wanted you to see this clasp. So you could probably put this clasp in the front or in the back, depending on what you wanted to show. So before I put that on, I wanted you to see that as well. All right, so let me show you now what this blouse looks like. I don't want you to have to wait and watch me button everything up, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I want to do a couple different looks with this blouse, which I think is amazingly stunning. It is a little bit of a sheer fabric, so it's perfect for now or later. I feel like it's a basically all-season blouse. Wear underneath a jacket in the winter and in the fall when it's a little bit cooler. In the spring, layer it over top of a tank. In the summer, put like a half cami or this sports bra or bralette underneath it. Wear it open as almost like a shacket style over top of the tank in the summer. All kinds of things. So first of all, you could tie it just like this with a little denim skirt or jeans or whatever your preferred bottom is, but I think it would be super cute just like this. Here's a closer look, and you can see that while it is sheer, it's not crazy sheer, and you could loosen this little knot so you're not seeing any tummy at all. Keep it a little bit looser or tighter, whichever your preference. All right, that's the first look. Let's do a couple others. Okay, so nothing better than the traditional button down, right? And wherever, if you have, since I have something on underneath here, I'm leaving this extra button, but you could certainly button this and put it wherever you like. I'm thinking since it's sheer, you're probably always going to have something on underneath it. Did a full tuck. Looks so pretty with the denim. But you could also go with a really pretty dress pant or a skirt as well. And since this has the nice elastic at the wrist, you could so easily put a jacket on underneath here and it's not going to ride up. So pretty. All right, and then you could also add this very pretty little belt or tie, whatever you like, because you could actually, another look would be to put this around as a belt, which I love, which is more likely what I would do with this. I'm not going to put it through all the belt loops just for the sake of time. But you could create a really cute look wearing this as a little belt around your bottom. But the way they're showing it, which I'm going to share with you, is to wear it around your neck. And they show it several ways. So they show it tied a little bit lower with this open, and I'm going to button one more button. In a more casual tie. Which is how I would be more likely to wear it. So just like this, which I think looks super cute. And since you know I don't like anything too close to my neck, this would be more how I would wear it. So it gives you a whole nother look. Or you could button this the whole way up, which you know is not my thing, but I'm going to get as close as I can for you and show you what that would look like. I also, before I do that, let's look at this necklace. How pretty is this? And you could turn it around and have the little gold at the bottom as well and wear it like that. Two looks, right? Love. Okay, let me show you this neckline one last way. Okay, last look. I got this all the way up to the top, and actually you can see I actually have room for my neck. This will drive me crazy because it's touching, but I still think it's really, really pretty for those of you that don't mind things touching the front of your neck, unlike me. I think this is really, really a pretty look. So dressy, right? It lays so nicely. This blouse is gorgeous. You could also replace the tie with a necklace right here too. Like a really stunning dressy necklace. Okay, that is all of my pieces. What did you think? I am in love with everything between both of my necklaces and my rings. How pretty is this with the easy move and adjustable necklace, right? I love this. That's adorable. Loving the ring. This blouse, I'm so in love with. I can't not wait to wear it. You got to have the pillowcase. I'm telling you, it will change your whole sleeping habits. You will sleep better. Your hair will be better. Your skin will be better. At least in my case, it definitely was. And then, of course, this sports bra. Who would have thought silk would make such a difference? All right, that's all my pieces. Again, thank you so much for spending time with me today. I do have to unbutton this. Sorry, guys. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you enjoyed these pieces as much as I did. I will list everything for you down below. My code for LilySilk is Box15. You'll get 15% off everything on their site. They do have some sales going on right now, as I mentioned. I'll put links to everything, as well as the Stella and Dot items. They have sales going on every once in a while as well. I'll hook you up with my stylist for Stella and Dot as well, and I'm sure if you connect with her, she'll let you know whenever any sales are going on. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. Hit that like if you enjoyed this video and you'd like to see more. Would love to hang out for long haul. Hit that subscribe, and until next time, bye everybody.